This is a 12-meter long, fully automatic CNC floor drilling and tapping machine. The 3-axis effective travel x-axis 12 meter, y-axis 450 mm, z-axis 350 mm. Allows machining process materials up to 6 mm thick and the whole diameters up to M20. Its specification is that for thermal friction stretching and thickly thread on thin walled materials such as large-scale pipe in construction industry. Replacing traditional riveting and wet lotting processes can not only improve joint strength and durability, but also reduce process steps, material and labor costs. The spindle is equipped with a high rigidity, high power bead-deserting mechanical spindle imported from Taiwan, delivering high precision and high efficiency. The servo distal tool magazine moves with the spindle, enabling automatic tool changing and clamp and wheel. Directly coupled to the servo motor, tool changing is time-saving and convenient, and the tool magazine can accommodate 10 tools of different specifications. P. The selected CNC system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of CNC joints to automatically generate processing programs. Without the need for professional programmers, the system can store tens of thousands of programs, which semi-labor cost effectively. Before the machine leaves the factory, it's tested for accuracy and compensated it by USA API laser interferometer to keep the whole machine accuracy within 0.02 mm. After sample its process, it runs for 48 hours during test. For more model introduction, follow my media account to learn more.